I don't know if it's up right now, if it's live. So let me make sure. Are we live? Can someone say something in chat if we are? Because I honestly have no idea if I am or not. All right, we're live. Let's go. You love the hat? Thanks. I like the hat too. I think I may have just played my stream and it's gonna echo for a little bit. I'd say this stream's about 10 seconds delayed. Okay, that's fine. I don't need it super. I'm not adding the ball hitting the gritty. I'm not gonna do that. I won't do it. It's not gonna happen. I'm not doing it. It's not gonna happen. Yeah, I like the idea of the ghost ball. The problem is with that, um, I'm gonna just sit here for a little bit, like with the webcam, not do anything for like, I'd say 10 minutes. So first of all, when people do get here, they can vote, and second of all, so I can discuss some ideas. The ghost ball idea is actually sick. Would you for 50 bucks? What do you mean, would I for 50 bucks? What would I do for 50 bucks? The gritty ball. I, you know what? I will make you a deal to dangerously pineapple. I will make you a deal. Okay, do you want to hear the offer? Would you like to hear the offer? It won't be money. It'll be something else. If you could get 20 people in chat to say add the gritty ball, if you could get 20 people, and you can keep count, you can like keep track of how many. If you get 20 people to say that, I will add it. You know what? No. 50. 50. Because I really don't want to do that. So if you can get 50 people in chat to say add the gritty ball, I will absolutely do it. Deal? What do you think? That's impossible. I don't know that many people. I guess that's too bad. Do you want to make the bet a little bit less? LSU? Okay, well, how about this? Since you don't know that many people, you got to get them in the stream. So maybe when people join the stream, you got to be there to tell them to say that. I don't know, man. How much money would you do it for? I don't want your money. I don't want your money. No money. You gave me $1 million, I wouldn't do it. I don't want your money. I mean, to be fair, I need money to publish this game. I need $100 to get it on Steam, and then I think I need to pay like $300 a year to use this software. Well, it's free. The software is free, but I think I need to like pay a fee to um get it off, the game maker. But yeah, if you can get 50 people to say make the ball hit the gritty, I will add it to the game. But you can't just. Okay, I already see what you're doing. I see what you. Okay. Don't do it. You're gonna have people against you the whole time. This is gonna be so hard for you. Hey, here's the thing though. It depends on. Let me think. Sorry, I'm stupid. Um, I will do this at any time. The game can be completely out. I could be a 60-year-old man and still live streaming. Well, hopefully not. That'd be kind of weird. But I could be a 60-year-old man. You finally get the 50th person, I will add that to the game. 100%. I will do it. The only problem is the reason I don't want to do it is because I would have to make a completely separate object and copy all of the code from the ball and make it specifically for your one little feature. Like, being difficult, man. Anyways, I do want to show you something. So I figured out how to connect my monitor to my TV, or sorry, not monitor, my laptop to my TV. So now I have three monitors going, and let me grab the webcam. Now I have you guys on a giant TV. That's pretty cool, right? What do we think of that? Got my two monitors here, infinite loop, two monitors there, and then I got this TV. This is what I play Smash on, but I got it so that the chat say hi in chat. Anyways. Oh no. Okay. Now I have to meticulously set this back up. That's probably fine. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, you don't count as a person. You need 50 other people. We have 4 votes. Right now it's on new it's on a new feature. How about if it's a new feature, you don't get the ball. Idea, an activated ability that splits the ball you have on screen in two for like 5 seconds with a 5 second cooldown afterwards. So I actually I didn't have this idea, somebody else did, but for one of like the bosses that you have, it splits the ball into three like three different balls, and like you have to not really guess. I think I'll make them different colors, but you got to get the right one, and if you don't get the right one, then you die. Like you have to avoid the other ones, right? Gotta go eat. I'll be back in a bit. All right, see ya. All right, we can probably start working on something. I'll wait till we get like five to enough votes that I will figure out what to do. But for now, we will work on something else. Do we want music or no? Do we want like lo-fi music? I don't really care about getting copyrighted, so I'll do whatever. Okay, actual idea. Make an ability that every time you hit the ball, you get double points, but the ball goes faster every time. The ball already goes faster every time, and you get a combo, so I don't really know about that one. And the combo makes your points go higher. Play fork on a plate. What's fork on a plate? I don't really want to know. All right. Let's see. Also, do we want music or no? Because I'm fine with just sitting in silence like this. Although it feels lonely. Okay, what I do need to do actually is I need to make sure that it only plays when it's in the room. I got this music that I can't be copyrighted for. So actually, here, we'll listen to music. The title screen music that Bear Hugs made me, so he's a W for that one. Wait for it. Is it working? Uh-oh. Something's wrong. Alright, I'm not getting any music on my desktop right now, so I have to figure that out. Oh, that's probably why. There we go. I know why. Give me a second. Is that better? Can we hear that? This is the menu theme, if you haven't heard it already. So I will have that playing. While I adjust it. Uh-oh. This is great. It happens when I zoom out wrong, and now everything seems to be slightly pixelated or off. Okay, that's as good as we're gonna get it. Yeah, okay. Okay. So if the room is the menu, I want it to play this, and it should just do that, right? Yes, it is. Okay. That's a problem. Okay. Um. Okay. I think I don't want it in the game room, right? If room equals game, then I want it to stop playing that. It'll stop sound. Alright, that should work. Hopefully. Did it not stop? Okay, it didn't. This should not take as long as it is. As it's taking, so. Alright, how do I stop the music? This should work. No? Okay. That's great. Oh, it works. Let's go. So now it only plays in the menu room, right? Yeah. Okay, that's sweet. Wait till we get like 5 to. Oh, my hat. Okay. Alright, I feel like I'm doing nothing right now, so I'm just gonna do. Let's make some more upgrades for now. Alright, so let's do that ghost ball upgrade, actually. We'll do that. I wonder how we should make that. Maybe just make it a slightly darker color than the normal ball. Oh, and then we just do like a really dark outline. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I'll copy the fire one, and then I will. Let's make all this black first. Then, well, I want to copy paste this a few times so I at least have a template for the ball. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And then we wanted ghost, so let's bring it up a little bit. I'd say that seems fine. Okay, maybe make it like 1 pixel bigger. Maybe even one more. Ew, that does look weird. Maybe if I made it so that it was like 16. That's the exact same thing I just did, just in a different way. Okay. Maybe if I do that. Oh yeah, it looks fine. Okay. And then how do I make it look like a ghost? Like I want it to like be like look like it's gonna phase through something. So like maybe I make it so it's like kind of like dripping. You know what I mean? First, let's make it a little bit of a darker color. We'll make it like that. There we go. I think that looks nice. Make it a pale green. I think I kind of want it to be a white, but we can try that. That looks like a zombie. I think I'll go with what I had before. And then do like that. I'll make it look like squishy. So maybe make it like wider. Eh. Um. This just doesn't look good any way I do it. It looked good at the very start, honestly. When there was less. Yeah, like that. Maybe make like some darker particles around it. Okay, I think that's fine for now. What other upgrades do you guys want to do? We'll do. The ghost ball, and then what about I'm gonna work on. Let's do one more upgrade, and then we will do something else. Well, what's a good utility one? Kind of like times 2 points. Maybe it'll show you the time between each rounds. That's a good one. Like you don't always want to buy that, but like it's nice to know, you know? Let's do that. Let's make a clock. So we'll just start with like a circle. Actually, the pong ball would be fine. Yeah, so we do this, and then we do like a red outline, I'm thinking. Maybe a dark red, and then we do a lighter red in the middle. Okay, and then we will stop it there. Okay, and then we gotta do that little notch at the top that's on stopwatches. We'll make this gold actually. Yeah, we'll do like a gold, yellow. Then I need a darker yellow. I feel like it should be like taller. We'll do that. We'll make it taller. Yeah. Oh, I should probably put like the actual clock part in the middle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll make this a little bit bigger. Because I want it to have a center. I don't want it to look long though. Nah, it's probably fine. Maybe that would work. And I can grab this. Put it there. It's a little bit off now, but that should be fine. You just move this over. I have become back from consuming my daily meal of energy drinks and what? What else could you have eaten? It's just food. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you're not eating food. This is gonna be very weird. Okay. Oh, I don't need to do that. I just need to add. Okay. I just need to add from over here. Three, and then there. Oh yeah, do the same thing on this side. Nope, not food. So what am I designing now? I am making a stopwatch, and it's an upgrade that lets you see how much is left in a round. Okay. It still looks like a wonky circle. Is that just me, or do you guys think so too? Because to me, it looks like a wonky, very wonky circle. Maybe that's better. I feel like towards the top here, maybe. No? It looks like red. Thank you, dangerously pineapple. That's what I'm calling you now. Oh, yeah, that's why. This side is taller. Two, three, two, three, one. Oh, that's making me very angry. This is three, but then this is two, so. But I can't. Can I? No, because it's three. Okay, let me just make all this outside part black and restart. Okay, let's go here and here, all red. Just two out from each part. Okay, then we'll do these two here. One there, one there, one there, one there. Okay, now we'll do a little bit more at the bottoms and tops. Maybe one here. Yes, then it looks more pixely. Okay, so far so good. And then now I just make the red outline of it. Actually, no, this will be the 3D part. So the darker could be just there. And then we'll make the time part here. That's the whole reason I redid it. Perfect. That looks nice. We do gold like along the top because that's how a stopwatch looks, right? Um, and then I gotta add that 3D effect here too. That looks pretty good. I like that. I like that for the timer. We'll do that. All right, sorry. I've been neglecting chat. I'm sorry. Um, Painterman, I've got an idea. What if there's a chance an upgrade is cursed? Like, looks the same but has an inverted effect. Like, instead of making the walls on the side bigger, they get smaller but faster. I do like that, but the problem is I don't want there to just be a chance that, like, you have, like, a crazy run going and it just gets ruined, you know? I want you to feel like you're in control of everything. So maybe, just as an idea, you could buy a cursed thing, but then after 5 rounds, the curse like wears off and it like reverts back to the normal upgrade. But it's like 10 times cheaper or something, which is I don't know. Like there's got to be a bonus to it, or like maybe the upgrade you get is 2 times more potent when it's not cursed. You know, just an idea. Because I do like the curse idea. I don't think it sounds better. I just think it's like more. It fits better in the game. I guess. I don't know. So, anyways, I guess now that the vote's at new feature with 4 votes, what do you guys want to do for the new feature? I would like it to be simple enough that I can implement it fairly quickly. But what would you like to implement? Dangerously Pino, don't say make the ball hit the gritty. I'm not doing that. Okay, well, I might if you get 50 people to say that in the chat. So, yeah, new feature ideas. What do we got? Yeah, I get it. I'll brainstorm too. I'll come up with some stuff. Maybe like a new customization menu because the one I have right now is not the best. Oh, welcome, Mike. Haven't seen you in the stream yet. Right now we got 6 votes on, and most of them are on new features. So we're coming up with a new feature right now that we're gonna do. I made 2 extra upgrades. One of them is the ghost ball. I don't really like how this one looks, so I'm probably gonna change it at some point. And one of them's a stopwatch. It will show you. So usually there's gonna be a timer between each round, and then like that's when the round is over. Is after the timer. This will just show you the timer, so you can get it or whatever. It's like a utility kind of item. So you can make a feature where if you get a certain combo height at the end of the round, it gets saved for the next round. I do like that idea. And it would be easy to implement. The problem is that the ball speed would like stay the same. Make the ball, put the fries in the bag. Okay. Dangerously pineapple. Duh. Um, dangerously pineapple. First of all, you're banned from getting any more ideas. If your combo is 40 or higher by the end of the round, it gets saved. I can understand that, but the first problem is that I have a bug in my game, and basically the combo can't go over like 13 because at that point the ball goes so fast that you can't even like it phases through the paddle. I could just make the top speed less though. Let me try that. Let's make the top speed 20. Or 10, not 20. Let's try that. Alright. See if it phases through the pedal. Or if I'm just bad and I miss it. Oh, yep. Okay, I'm just bad too. Is it a stale speed? Is it a stale speed increases? Duh! I can't talk. Is it a stale spend increases per combo? Sorry, I can't read. My bad. Anyways, I gotta see if I can hit the max speed. Yeah, the speed the speed increases the higher your combo is. There we go. But so does your score. You get a slight multiplier. I think I do gotta redo kind of some of the math for the multiply. I'm gonna. It hurt somebody. Am I hungry? I had cinnamon toast crunch this morning. Why? As if it's stale or not? What do you mean by that? I don't really know what you mean by that. Yeah, it still phases through. Okay. Per X combo, it goes up X speed. Let me check how it works actually. It's somewhere in here. The ball speed just goes up 0.5 anytime it hits the paddle. So it just goes up 0.5. It's not based on the combo. All right, no problem. I forgot my hobbies. See you later. Yeah. How do I make it not a stale increase? Like, I mean, I know how to. I just like, does it need to be? I guess. Maybe should I times it by the combo? Let's try that. Let's try that. We'll do that. Uh, Why is that any different? That might work, that might also not. I'll figure it out. Yep. Okay. Okay. This might be weird. Now it's just really slow the whole time. That's weird. Okay. Start off with with lower. Okay, so I'll go 0.5. Started at 0.5 and then maybe I do H speed. Uh, okay, not that. We'll just do the ball. It just kind of stays slow the whole time. I don't really know why. If the combo is like you'd think it gets faster, but it just doesn't. Because I have it so that it times the speed by the combo. So that's what it should be doing. Let me try that. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh. Oh, that's really fast. Oh, that's really fast. It's multiplying its own speed. That's why it's so fast. Yeah. Uh-huh. That's why. Okay. That's not what we want. That's why I kind of want to do plus. We'll add the combo, maybe. No, that doesn't really do anything either. If the combo hits 10, the speed goes up more. The problem is that if the speed goes up more, it just phases through the paddle because there's not enough frames. Like, it's 60 frames per second, but the ball is so fast that one frame it's on the other side of the paddle and the other frame it's on the other side. It doesn't even, like, notice that it's going through the paddle. That's the problem. Make the hitbox from panel bigger to the backside. Alright, I'll try that. I will. There might be a problem. Can't do it from the backside, I gotta do it from the front. So, I'll do that. Make it 1 pixel bigger. Maybe if I just make the sprite like 2 times bigger. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna make them smaller again. I just wanted to. Oh, it just went through it. That's weird. Alright, let me go back to the old system and then try it. Yeah, it still just goes through it. Doesn't matter how big it is. That's so weird. Ugh. Let's try that. Maybe this might work. Pedal's not fast enough. I'll make the pedal faster. Just for now. Do move speed equals 10. Oh yeah, that's better. So you can't help right now? You're doing a beta test? What are you doing a beta test for? Oh, okay. To be exact, to be exact for an update from the game, so it doesn't have any that many bugs when it comes out. Okay, I see. What game is it? Nautical Survival? Okay. Um, it's a roguelite. All right. That's cool. Ugh. The heck is going on? Hmm. Why? Why does it do that? Oh. I think I may have done something that might have fixed it. Let me make the speed really, really high and see what happens. Yeah, let me just start it at 20 or 19, 18. I don't think I fixed it. Never mind. Yeah, just goes right through it. Why is it doing this? Alright, I think I'm gonna end stream. Just a bug I need to fix on my own. And there's not many people here, so I'll see everyone later. Bye.